Your phone feels safe when the screen is locked. But unless you've changed a few hidden settings, that lock screen is wide open to snoops and hackers. Messages, calls, even payment info. There's more exposed than you'd expect. And if someone grabs your phone right now, they might not even need your PIN. Don't worry. By the end of this, your lock screen will be ironclad. Let's fix it, step by step. Step 1 is to strengthen your PIN. Yes, fingerprints and face unlock are convenient, but when they fail, the real barrier is your PIN. And if that PIN is 1111, 1234, or your birth year, that's basically leaving the door unlocked. Add greasy fingerprint smudges pointing to your most used numbers, and guessing becomes way too easy. The fix is simple. Upgrade to a 6-digit PIN, or even better, a full password with letters and numbers. And what is great, you'll still unlock with your fingerprint or face most of the time. The strong PIN is just the safety net. So open Settings, search for Screen Lock, and choose PIN or Password. Different phones may list it under Security or Lock Screen and Biometrics. Step 2 is to shorten your auto lock timer. Here's where people slip up. You set the auto lock to 5 minutes because it's less annoying, but that's 5 minutes where anyone can pick up your phone and walk right in. Change it to 30 seconds. Go to Settings, then go to the Display and Screen Timeout and set it to half a minute. Too quick? Some phones have a feature called Keep Screen On while viewing. That way, your phone stays awake if you're actually looking at it, but not a second longer. Step 3 is to turn off Smart Lock. Smart Lock sounds clever. It keeps your phone unlocked when you're at home, in the car, or connected to your smartwatch. But the biggest flaw is that if your phone is unlocked in those trusted places, then anyone holding it has full access. Fix this now. Search Smart Lock in Settings. Go in and turn off Trusted Places, Trusted Devices, and On-Body Detection. From now on, your phone unlocks only for you, not just because it's sitting in the right spot. Step 4 is to hide lock screen notifications. Glancing at messages without unlocking is convenient, but it's also dangerous because the same previews you see, a thief sees too. That could include private conversations or one-time passcodes for your accounts. Go to Settings and type Lock Screen Notifications into the search bar. Once you're in, click on Notifications to Show and switch to Show Notifications but Hide Content. Now you'll still see that WhatsApp or Gmail pinged you, but the message itself stays hidden until you unlock. And if you've got widgets that show personal info on the lock screen, remove them. Step 5 is to disable Voice Assistant access. This is the sneaky one. Your assistant, whether it's Gemini or another, lets you send texts, make calls, and pull up your calendar without even touching your screen. But it doesn't know who's talking. Anyone can say the command and act as you. Here's the simple fix. First, search Gemini in Settings. Tap on the first result, and look for Use on Lock Screen, and turn it off. Now, the assistant only responds once you've unlocked. Here's the big question. If these settings are so risky, why are they there? Because phone makers design for convenience. They want you to check a message fast, or skip typing a PIN when you're home. It's about speed, not maximum security. But convenience creates cracks, and hackers know where to slip through. Think of your lock screen as your front door. By default, the key isn't under heavy lock and chain. It's sitting under the welcome mat. These small settings are the difference between a wide-open entry and a door that really locks. So now, your phone is different. You've got a strong PIN or password. Your phone locks quickly when you step away. Smart Lock is gone. Notifications are private, and your assistant stays silent until you say otherwise. That's the lock screen working for you, not against you. Next time you set your phone down, you'll know it's secure. No one can peek, no one can text, no one can hijack your accounts through the lock screen. And that's the power of a few simple changes. Your phone, your data, fully under your control.